Hi, I'm Graham Walsh, Microsoft MVP, and here's a quick tip on a new feature coming from Microsoft Whiteboard and personal users. Message Center item that's just dropped into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So what this is, if you've got an MTR, so like myself behind me, I've got my neat board, signed in. As a resource account, that's all fine, nothing changes. If you have it in your personal office like here at home, I can have this signed in as Graham Walsh. And it's a term known as license stacking. So I can have a Teams Room Pro license stacked to my license as well. So what is changing here is that if you start a whiteboard and you've got a user account with a Pro license, then that will automatically save to that user's OneDrive. So that enables you not to have to add in someone else to initiate that save. So a minor change, but also very useful. So again, very helpful for people who have deployed these into personal spaces. This is going to happen very soon. They're going to roll out. So if you have that Teams Room Pro license with the user license, that includes OneDrive, then the behavior will change. This basically removes the need or the fix to invite another person or to start a meeting to save that whiteboard. And the key thing here is make sure you do not assign a OneDrive license to a resource account. That's a big no because that's obviously a shared space. Anyway, I thought I'd pop on and give you a quick update. Any questions? Let me know.